In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Zoom. We'll walk through the exact path inside your Zoom account so you can update your password quickly and confidently. This process happens in the Zoom web portal, which gives you full access to your account settings. If you're starting from the desktop app, opening your account page in a browser will take you to the same place. Once you're looking at your Zoom account controls, find the left-hand sidebar and select My Account. This opens your main account area, where all personal and security settings live. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right place helps avoid clicking around later. Next, choose Profile. The Profile page is your hub for identity and sign-in details. It's where you'll see the settings tied to how you log in, including your password. If you manage multiple Zoom profiles, just make sure you're on the one you want to change. On the Profile page, locate the section labeled Sign In. This area groups the options related to how you access your account. You don't need to adjust anything else here, just focus on the password line. Find the row that says Sign In Password and select Edit. This is the control that unlocks the password fields. If you don't see the option, it may be because your account uses a single sign-on provider or a social login, in which case Zoom doesn't manage a separate password for you. When the password form appears, enter your current password in the old password field. This confirmation step protects your account by making sure only you can make the change. Type it carefully. A small typo will block the update and make you redo the form. Now enter your new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal details or reusing a password from another site. If there's a confirm field, retype the same new password exactly. A password manager can help you generate and store a secure option you won't have to memorize. Finally, select Save Changes. Zoom will process the update and show a confirmation when it succeeds. From this point forward, use your new password the next time you sign in. If you're logged in on multiple devices, you may be asked to sign in again so everything stays in sync. That's it. You've successfully updated your Zoom password using the profile and sign-in settings. Keeping this up to date is a simple way to protect your meetings, contacts, and recordings. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.